Hello students, I am Surbhi Gupta and today the topic we are going to discuss is addition of rational numbers and subtraction of rational numbers. This is a class 7 topic. So let's start with the topic addition of rational numbers. Now suppose we have given two rational numbers a by b plus c by b. Now if you see carefully what I have written is a by b plus c by b. In this the numerators of both the rational numbers are different and the denominators of both the rational numbers are same. If this type of rational numbers come in front of you where the denominators are same and the numerators are different, what you have to do is you have to add the numerators and keeping the base as same. Okay, you have to add both the numerators and take the base b as common. Okay, and this will be your final answer. Let's take an example. Suppose a question is given to you where there is minus 13 by 7 and plus 6 by 7. These are two rational numbers given to you and you have to add them. So what you will do? As I told you, take the numerators, add them and keep the base as same. Both having the base 7, so taking 7 over here. So what is minus 13 plus 6? It is minus 7 divided by 7. Both come in the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. So the answer is minus 1. In this way you will find out the answer when the denominator is same. One more example we can take. (19 by 5) plus minus 7 by 5. What you have to do? You have to add these rational numbers. So what you will do? Whatever signs are given in the numerator, take those signs along with the digits and taking the base as common 5. Now plus minus minus. So 19 minus 7 divided by 5. What is 19 minus 7 is 12. 12 by 5. Both these numbers does not come in any table together, so this will be your final answer. Okay. In this way you have to do the questions where the denominator is same. Now if the denominator is different, then how we can do the questions? Let's take an example where the denominator is different. So what you have to do in those questions? Suppose a question is given to you 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. If you see carefully, both the numerators of the rational numbers are different and both the denominators are also different. In such kind of questions, whenever the denominator is not same, it is different, you have to take the LCM of the denominator. So the denominator is 3 and 5. Take the LCM of 3 and 5. 3 comes in the table of 3 and it comes in the table of 5. Multiply these two numbers, you will get the LCM. So 3 into 5 is 15. 15 is the LCM of these two numbers. Now write 15 over here. Now how you have to put numbers over here? 3. First see this lower number, this denominator. When multiplied by 5, when 3 is multiplied by 5, 15 comes. 3 5s are 15. So the upper number, the numerator is also multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25 plus. When 5 is multiplied by 3, 15 comes. 5 3s are 15. So So 3 is also multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. In this way you have to put the answer when there is different denominator. First take the LCM, put the LCM over here, then 3 5s are 15, so 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15, so 3 3s are 9. Okay? Now, what is 25 plus 9? It is 34 divided by 15. 34 divided by 15 is the final answer when the denominators are different. In this case, the denominators are different. So first we take the LCM. After taking the LCM, taking 15 as the common part, and then 34 by 15 is the final answer. Now, if I have to do the subtraction of rational numbers, then what we will do? Subtraction of rational numbers. First we will do when the denominator is same and we have to subtract the rational numbers. It is same as that of addition. 7 by 13 minus 7 plus minus 7 by 13. Suppose this question is given to you and you have to subtract the rational numbers. So when the base is same, take the numerators as they are given upon 13 as the common base. Plus minus minus 7 minus 7 0. So the answer is 0. Is that clear? In this way we will do the question. It is similar to addition of rational numbers. In that case we have put the plus sign here, whatever the signs are given to you. Similar to this we can solve this type of questions. Now what we have to do when the rational numbers have different denominators and we have to subtract them? Same case as that of addition. Let's do one question. Suppose a question is given to you. A question is given to you. 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. This is the question given to you. Both have different denominators. So what we will do? We will take the LCM. 24 and 36. 2 12s are 24. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12. 2 9s are 18. 2 3s are 6. 9 remain as it is because it doesn't comes in the table of 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 1. 3 1s are 3. Multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So what will be the LCM? 72 will be the LCM of both these numbers. Okay? You can write down here 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 gives out 72. Now again similar to the previous question, 24 when multiplied by 3 gives 72. So 7 3s are 21 minus 36 when multiplied with 2 gives 72. So 17 is also multiplied by 2. It gives 34. Okay? Similar. First take the LCM. Whatever the LCM is, write down here. Multiply the number. Similar number is multiplied. Multiply with it. Similar number is multiplied with the number. And here it comes. Okay? 21 is a smaller number. 34 is a bigger number. And 34 is having the sign minus. So minus will come in the front. What is 34 minus 21? Minus 13 by 72. This will be your answer. Okay. So in this way you can solve multiple questions based on addition and subtraction of rational numbers. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you very much.